My advice to anyone looking to get married: remember, this world is full of pleasures. The Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam tells us, "Ad-dunya mata'." The world is an enjoyment. And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Wa khayru mata'i ad-dunya al-mar'atu as-salihah." The best enjoyment of this world is a righteous woman. If you're looking for true happiness, true peace and tranquility, if you're looking for that sakina, the comfort, the affection, the mercy, then find a spouse that fears Allah. Find a spouse that resembles the character of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because if you don't, you'll be a loser in this world and a loser in the akhirah too.